Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Subhan Ilahi presenting a wonderful channel of YouTube, FHL Planet. This is not only a channel but a planet of knowledge. We will keep you up to date with general knowledge and current affairs of the world. Islamic knowledge. We are Muslim and it is our obligation to know about Islam. So, here we will briefly discuss about Siratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Islamic history, explore the knowledge of Holy Quran, and also will use lot of tools to prepare you for your competitive exams. Pakistan. What do you know about Pakistan? No? Okay, no problem. We will also help you to promote your knowledge about Pakistan and its important events. And also we will explore many beautiful places of Pakistan before you, and you will love it. So, are you ready to prepare yourself for general knowledge? You will learn a lot of things which develop your personality and you become prominent among your circle. So, please be ready for it. What is happening in the world? What's happening in Pakistan and around you? So, look around the globe. We will inform you that what is happening in the current world. So, online lectures. We are offering many online tutorials and coaching classes too. No, you don't need to worry about your exams. You just need a computer and internet connection and you will attend the classes at your home. So, feel free for it. Here we are offering you some important online lectures about accountings, about business managements, and many more. You can get these lectures only on our channel, and that all are free of cost. And you can join our online coaching classes. Falcon House of Learning offer ICOM, PCOM, BBA, MCOM, and MBA classes. These all classes are online classes which are totally free. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you.